Jesus, my Lord, my God, my all, how can I love Thee as I ought, and how revere this wondrous gift, so far surpassing hope or thought. Sweet sacrament, we Thee adore. Oh, make us love Thee more and more. Oh, make us love Thee more and more. Had I but Mary's sinless heart, to love Thee with my dearest King, oh, with what bursts of fervent praise Thy goodness, Jesus, would I sing.